Alright, I put a new control unit in here, or master switch, and now when you do that, not only does it have to be programmed, but the key fob has to be programmed. As you can see, I'm pressing the buttons, it's not doing anything. So we need to program this key to the vehicle again. And it's pretty simple, I'll show you how. Now, while I'm thinking of it, if your key fob is not programmed to the car, if I lock the door and open it, or unlock it and open it from inside, and I'm not using the lock, it's going to think that I broke into the car, and it's probably going to set off the alarm, you know, with the horn. And you're not going to be able to shut it off until you program the key and then hit the unlock button. Just so you know. And you can program it, even with the security code going off, you can program a key. I've done it before. So anyway, all we're going to do, right now it's in the 0 position or off. We're going to put the key in and we're going to turn it to the number 2 position, or the on position. And we're going to do that. And then I'm just going to be pressing, you can use either the unlock or the lock. I'm going to use the lock button. And we're going to press that button in a sequence 4 times. So we just have to put the key in. We're going to turn it on, wait 1 second, and then hit unlock. Now we wait 1 second and turn it off. That's 1 time. Then we turn it back on, wait 1 second. Now we hit lock again. That's 2. Then we turn it off, wait a second, turn it back on, hit the lock button again, wait a second, then we turn it off. Then we turn it back on. Then we hit the lock button again. Now we can hear them lock. That's number 4. We hit it again 1 more time. Now it's programmed in. Now if we had additional keys, we could just hit the button and program them in, but we don't have any more right now. Now we can just turn it off. And now, well, if I locked it, see, now the keys lock, or it locks and unlocks. I don't know if you can hear that, but now they're working. That's all it takes. Pretty easy. But if you don't do that step, then your key fob's not going to work. So in any event, if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.